This list of the most amazing 3D printed creations is sure to have you scratching your head. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Number 10. A cast. Designer Dennis Carson revolutionized the traditional and mundane cast by creating a 3D printed version called Osteoid, which not only looks sleek, but it's also technologically advanced. The cast features ventilation holes that permit access to a low-intensity pulsed ultrasound system, boosting the healing of broken bones up to 38% faster than conventional casts. With custom-fit 3D printing, the ventilation holes don't compromise structural integrity. The Osteoid is more stylish, doesn't smell, and eliminates itching. It's evident that this creation outshines the outdated traditional cast in every way, making it a game-changer in the medical field. Number 9. Backpack. Move over, boring backpacks. 3D printing has officially made them cool. Enter the 3D printed backpack designed by MakeX that not only serves as a futuristic carry-all, but also doubles as a home for a MakeX Migo 3D printer. With a fully see-through design, you can easily 3D print on the go while strutting around campus in style. The backpack's futuristic look and the sleek design of the printer creates an impressive ensemble, sure to turn heads. Even if you're not interested in carrying a 3D printer around, the backpack can still be used for everyday items. With the price of the printer now at a whopping $599, the once affordable $289 bundle of backpack and printer has become a thing of the past. 3D printing may not have transformed the world of fashion just yet, but this backpack certainly brings us one step closer. Number 8. Paper aeroplane gun. Unleash your inner child with Dieter Michael Krohn's amazing paper airplane gun. While most of us struggle to make a paper airplane fly just a few meters, Krohn's 3D printed gun can fold and shoot up to 120 planes per minute. Using a combination of 3D printed and traditional parts, this incredible invention is not just functional, but also incredibly efficient. It's a testament to the power of 3D printing and the endless possibilities it offers to optimize products. If you want to see the paper airplane gun in action, head over to Dieter Krohn's YouTube channel, Pepe Africa, and prepare to be amazed. Number 7. Boats. The US military is no stranger to innovative technology, but in 2019, they took things to new heights by creating an entire ship via 3D printing. This groundbreaking achievement was made possible through a collaboration between the Combat Capabilities Development Command, the University of Maine, and Ingersoll Machine Tools. To start the process, the team had to develop a printer large enough to construct a military boat, which they accomplished by building a machine capable of creating parts that were 30 by 6.7 by 3 meters in size. This ship can operate at a speed of 227 kilograms per hour. This printer used plastic and wood cellulose to construct the boat, which weighed almost 2 tons and measured 7.6 meters in length once complete. The project broke several world records, including the largest 3D printed boat and the largest 3D printed solid part. Today it serves as an inspiring example of how 3D printing can revolutionize traditional manufacturing methods and open up new possibilities for creating complex objects on demand. Number 6. Lamborghini Aventador. A Lamborghini made with a 3D printer for only $20,000? It may sound like a fantasy, but it's a reality for a father and son duo who used their expertise in physics and 3D printing to create their own supercar. Using an array of 3D printers and over 200 spools of thermoplastic filaments, Sterling Backus and his son managed to create a stunning vehicle that is both roadworthy and affordable. While the body panels were made of PLA, the headlights and rear light housings were made of ASA and ABS, respectively. The parts that needed extra durability were made of carbon fiber-filled nylon. The project was a success, although they had to use some traditional manufacturing processes like CNC machining, water jet cutting, vacuum infusion, and carbon fiber encapsulation to complete the build. This amazing achievement just shows how 3D printing technology can be used to create virtually anything at a fraction of the cost. Number 5. Face masks. As face masks continue to be an essential accessory in our daily lives, Japanese designer Suhio Kawara has taken the concept of masking to the next level. For a hefty price of $950, you can become a stranger with hyper-realistic face masks that are sure to turn heads. These masks don't protect you from COVID-19. Instead, they're designed to make you look like someone else entirely. To create these masks, Okawara first screens headshots of applicants before paying them $350 for the rights to use their face. Then, using advanced 3D scanning and printing technologies, he creates a high-resolution virtual model that's manually touched up before being printed onto a base template. The result is a lifelike mask that's indistinguishable from the original face. Okawara's creepy yet intriguing masks have garnered attention from all corners of the world, with even celebrities expressing their interest. However, the question remains whether this high-tech business will be sustainable in the long run. Number 4. Human organs. The demand for human organs exceeds the supply, fueling the black market. However, affordable synthetic alternatives are now possible with 3D printing. Not only is it cheaper, but it produces high quality organs that can be built from a patient's own cells, reducing the chance of rejection. Progress has been made with 3D printed bones, corneas, and ears in clinical testing. While the technology needs to improve to fully imitate real organs, the potential for 3D printed organs to revolutionize medicine is enormous. Imagine a world where organ replacement is safer and more affordable. With the pace of technological advancement, it's only a matter of time before 3D renditions overtake the organ creation industry. The possibilities of 3D printed organs go beyond just reducing the shortage of organ donations. It could also provide patients with organs that are tailored to their specific needs, leading to better patient outcomes and an improved quality of life. Number 3. Clothing. As fashion continues to evolve, we may begin to see clothes made with the help of 3D printers. Most clothing stores stock clothes made of conventional materials such as cotton, polyester, and wool. But 3D printing has opened up new possibilities for clothing designers. One of the major advantages of 3D printed clothes is that they cause almost no waste. With a 3D printer, the exact amount of material necessary can be used, which reduces the amount of material waste generated during the manufacturing process. Additionally, 3D printed clothes are often easy to customize in terms of size. Instead of being limited to predetermined sizes, customers can enter their measurements into a computer, and the printer can create a garment that fits them perfectly. While most 3D clothing manufacturers are currently focused on producing regular clothes, some designers are exploring more unique designs. For example, Travis Fitch created a 3D dress with several layers using the help of 30 multicolored pieces. In contrast, some 3D dresses make the most of the plastic in their printer to make solid pointy spikes, as seen in the 400-piece dress made by selective laser sintering. Beyond dresses, there are even some manufacturers in the business of making menswear. One of our favourites is VIP Tie 3D, which uses 3D printing software to make each of its ties fully customizable. Moreover, 3D printing allows for the creation of clothes that are not just visually appealing, but also functional. Number 2. Office buildings. In January 2015, a 1,100 square meter office building was constructed in East China's Jiangsu province using a massive 3D printer. The printer used a specially formulated ink made of old construction wastes such as concrete, fiberglass, sand, and a hardening agent to fabricate the walls and other components of the structure piece by piece. The walls were made using a diagonal reinforced print pattern. Additional components such as steel beams, insulations, pipelines, windows, and doors were made without the use of a printer. However, as the technology continues to improve, it is possible that all components of a building could be entirely 3D printed in the future. The use of this ink was not only eco-friendly, but also flexible, self-insulating, and resistant to earthquakes. With the construction industry being one of the largest polluters globally, the use of 3D printers to construct buildings has the potential to reduce waste and lower the carbon footprint of the industry. While this technology is still in its infancy, this building is a significant step forward in the adoption of 3D printing in construction and could revolutionize the way we build in the future. Number 1. Homes. Similar to number 2 on our list, number 1's SQ4D, a company specializing in 3D printing, has built a house using a massive 3D printer that uses concrete to fill molds, resulting in a more efficient and cost-effective construction process. The walls of the house were printed in just 48 hours, and the entire construction took just 8 days, making it 30% cheaper and significantly faster than traditional methods. SQ4D plans to bring these houses to market on a per-order basis, starting with a 130 square metre home with a detached garage in Riverhead, Long Island, listed for just $299,000. This is about half the average price of a similar home in the area. Younger generations are supportive of this building method because it is superior and environmentally friendly. As affordable and green housing becomes more desirable, 3D printed houses are likely to become much more popular. These highly regimented building processes for 3D printed houses makes it easy to design with virtually no waste and using eco-friendly materials. While traditional tradesmen may be skeptical, the potential benefits of 3D printed houses cannot be ignored. Thanks for watching our list of 3D printed creations. Which one was your favourite? Let us know in the comments below.